division by Urdhva Dhvajanks, that is flat. Divide 703195 by 8231. We cannot divide a number by 82, hence we have to divide by 8 and take 231 as Dhvajanka digits. In this case, instead of 2 digits multiplications, we multiply 3 digits of Dhvajanka by 3 quotient digits by Urdhva Sutra. Now we have a table. Step columns are step, prefix remainder or remainder, dividend digit, dividend minus quotient into Dhvajanka, and quotient. First step is remainder is 0, dividend digit is 7, dividend minus quotient into Dhvajanka, that is 7, and quotient is 7 divided by 8 equal to 0. Second step, 7 is the remainder, 0 is dividend digit, dividend is 70 minus 2 into 0 equal to 70, and the quotient is 70 divided by 8 equal to 8. Third step, 6 is remainder, 3 is dividend, so 63 minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 8 equal to 47, that is dividend. 47 divided by 8 is 5, is the quotient. Now fourth step is 7 is remainder, 7 is remainder, 1 is dividend, so 71 minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 8 plus 2 into 5 equal to 37 is dividend. 37 divided by 8 equal to 4 is the quotient. Now fifth step, 5 is the remainder, 9 is dividend, 59 minus 1 into 8 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 4 equal to 28 is dividend. 28 divided by 8 equal to 3 is the quotient. Now sixth step, 4 is remainder, 5 is dividend, so 45 minus 1 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3 equal to 22. So 22 divided by 8 is 2 is the quotient. Seventh step is 6 is the remainder, 0 is dividend, so 60 minus 1 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 equal to 43, that is 43 divided by 8 is 5 is quotient, and again 3 is remainder. Now eighth step, 3 is remainder and 0 is the dividend, so 30 minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 5, that is 11. So 11 divided by 8 is 1 is the quotient, and again 3 is the remainder. Ninth step, 3 is remainder and 0 is dividend. So 30 minus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 1 equal to 11. So again 11 by 8, that is 1 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Now, sorry, 10th step, 3 is remainder and 0 is dividend. So 30 minus 1 into 5 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 equal to 20. So 20 divided by 8 equal to 2 is the quotient, and of course 4 is the remainder. So 11th step, 4 is the remainder, 0 is quotient. So 40 is dividend minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2, that gives us dividend of 32. 32 divided by 8, we take 3 as quotient and not 4. So when we take 3 as quotient, 8 is remainder. So 12th step, 8 is remainder and 0 is dividend. So 80 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 67, and 67 divided by 8 is 8 we take as quotient. As seen in our example, one can go on calculating the division endlessly for number of decimals after the decimal point, but will restrict our divisions to 5 digits only because that is sufficient for all practical purposes. Now, following formula is to be used to get answer as quotient and remainder. Assume Dhvajanka or flag digits D1, D2, D3. In our case, it is 2, 3, 1. 3 digits of quotient before decimal point, that is Q1, Q2, Q3, decimal point after Q3. So our quotient digits are 0, 8, 5. So remainder is dividend digits after decimal point inclusive of first prefix remainder. Now D1 into Q3, D1 into Q3 plus D2 into Q2 plus D3 into Q1, that is multiplied by 100, plus D2 into Q3 plus D3 into Q2 multiplied by 10 plus D3 into Q3, that is multiplied by 1. Remainder is 7195 minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 8 plus 1 into 0 multiplied by 100 plus 3 into 5 plus 1 into 8 multiplied by 10 plus 1 into 5, that is 7195. 25 plus 24, 10 into 24 is 34, so 34 into 100. 15 plus 8 is 23 into 10 plus 5, that is 7195 minus 3400 minus 230 minus 5. So 7195 minus 3635 equal to 3560. So quotient is 85.432511238, or quotient is 85 and remainder is 3560. After dividing the first digit in dividend, one gets remainder and dividend digit up for calculating next dividend. One has to calculate remainder and dividend digits minus multiplication of digit in Dhvajanka and digit in quotient obtained so far. We'll see how the calculations are done with some examples. D1, D2 and so on are Dhvajanka digits, and Q1, Q2 and so on are quotient digits. So we'll take first Dhvajanka 2 digits. 3983 divided by 712. 7 is first divisor and 1 2 is Dhvajanka 2 digits. Uh, being 2 digits, 83 is taken after decimal point. So 3 by 7 equal to 0 quotient and remainder is 3. So next dividend 39 minus D1 into Q1. So 39 minus 1 into 0, that is 39 equal to 5 as quotient and 4 is remainder. So 48 is next dividend minus d2 uh, d2 into q1 plus d1 into q2. That is 48 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 5 equal to quotient 6 and remainder 1. So remainder quotient 6, remainder 1, 18 is next dividend minus now d2 into q2, d2 into q2 plus d1 into q3. So 18 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6, that is equal to 0 or 2. R is remainder. So next dividend is 23. 23 minus we take d2 into q3 plus d1 into q4. So 23 minus 2 into 6 plus 1 into 0 equal to 1 is quotient and remainder is 4. Now Dhvajanks 3 digits 703195 divided by 8231. 8 is first divisor, 231 is 3 digits Dhvajanks, that is 3 digits. Being 3 digits the Dhvajanks, we take 195 after decimal point. Now 7 divided by 8 is 0 and remainder 7, 0 or 7. 70 minus d1 into q1. So 70 minus 2 into 0 equal to 70. So that gives us quotient 8 and remainder 6. Now 63 is the next dividend minus d2 into q1 plus d1 into q2. So 63 minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 8. So 16 or 63 minus 16 gives us 5 quotient and 7 as remainder. Now next dividend is 71. 71 minus d3 into q1, d2 into q2 and d1 into q3. So 71 minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 8 plus 2 into 5, that gives us 4 as quotient and remainder is 5. Next dividend is 59 minus d3 into q2, d2 into q3 and d1 into q4. So 59 minus 1 into 8 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 4, that is we get quotient 3 and remainder 5. Now Dhvajanks 4 digits. Now 41326 divided by 31046. Now 3 is first divisor, 1046 is fourth, 4 digits Dhvajanks. Being 4 digits in Dhvajanks, 1326 is taken after decimal point. Now 4 divided by 3 is 1. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 1. Now next dividend is 11. 11 minus d1 into q1. So 11 minus 1 equal to 3 and remainder 1. 10 divided by 3 is 3 and remainder 1. Now 13 is next dividend. 13 minus D2 into Q1 and D1 into Q2. So 13 minus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 3, that is again 10. So 3 is the quotient and remainder is 1. Now next dividend is 12. 12 minus D3 into Q1, D2 into Q2 and D1 into Q3. So 12 minus 4 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 3, that gives you 1 quotient and remainder 2. So 26 is next dividend minus D4 into Q1, D3 into Q2, D2 into Q3 and D1 into Q4. So 26 minus 6 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 1, that gives you 1 as quotient and remainder is 4. So next quotient is dividend is 40 minus D4 into Q2, D3 into Q3, D2 into Q4 and D1 into Q5, which means 40 minus 6 into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1, which gives you quotient 2 and remainder 3. Next is 5 digits Dhvajanks. So 20014 divided by 137608. Now 20014, as it is less than 137608, so quotient is less than 1. Now so everything in dividend is after the decimal point. Now 2 divided by 1 is 1, 1 remainder 1. Now 10 is dividend. D1 into Q1 is 10 minus 3 into 1 is 4, 4 quotient and remainder 3. 4 quotient, remainder 3. So 30 is next dividend minus D2 into Q1 and plus D1 into Q2, that is 30 minus 7 into 1 plus 3 into 4, that gives you 5 quotient and remainder 6. Now next dividend is 61. 61 D3 into Q1, D2 into Q2 and D1 into Q3, that is 61 minus 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4 plus 3 into 5, that gives you quotient 4 and remainder 8. Now 84 is next dividend minus D4 into Q1, D3 into Q2, D2 into Q3, and D1 into Q4, which is 84 minus 0 into 1, 6 into 4, plus 7 into 5, plus 3 into 4. That gives us a quotient as 4 and remainder as 9. Now, next next dividend is 90, minus, now D5 into Q1, D4 into Q2, D3 into Q3, D2 into Q4, and D1 into Q5. So 90 into minus 8 into 1 plus 0 into 4 plus 6 into 5 plus 7 into 4 plus 3 into 4. That gives us 2 quotient and 10 remainder. Okay. Example 1. Divide 137294 by 5749. 137294. 5 is per divisor. 749 is 3 digits Dhvajanks. Being 3 digits, we take 294 from dividend after decimal point. So 1 divided by 5 equal to 0 or 1. 0 is quotient. Remainder is 1. 1 3 minus 7 into 0 equal to 13 divided by 5 equal to 2 is quotient and 3 is remainder. Now 37 is dividend minus 4 into 0 plus 7 into 2 equal to 23 divided by 5 equal to 3 as quotient and 8 is remainder. Now 82 is dividend minus 9 into 0 plus 4 into 2 plus 7 into 3, that is 53 divided by 5. Now if we take 9 as quotient, remainder is 8, but 89 minus 9 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 7 into 9 equals 93, which is greater than 89. So we get minus result. Therefore 9 quotient is not possible. We go back to 82. 82 minus 9 into 0 plus 4 into 2 plus 7 into 3 equal to 53 divided by 5. We take 8 as quotient and remainder is 13. So 139 is dividend minus 9 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 7 into 8. That is, again we get 53 divided by 5. We get 8 remainder 13. 8 is quotient and 13 is remainder. Now 134 is our dividend. 134 minus 9 into 3 plus 4 into 8 plus 7 into 8, that is equal to 19 divided by 5. Now again here, if we take 2 as a quotient, 9 is remainder, then 94 is dividend minus 9 into 8 plus 4 into 8 plus 7 into 2, that becomes 118, which is more than 94. So this is not possible. So we take go back to 134. 134 minus 9 into 3 plus 4 into 8 plus 7 into 8 equal to 19 by 5 divided by 5. So we take 1 and not 2 quotient and remainder 14. Now 140 is dividend minus 9 into 8 plus 4 into 8 plus 7 into 1, that is equal to 29 divided by 5. So 3 is quotient and again 14 is remainder. So 140 minus 9 into 8 plus 4 into 1 plus 7 into 3 equal to 43 divided by 5, that is 7 is quotient and remainder is 8. So here we have 12 steps, but out of those 4 are cancelled. Now remainder is 8294 minus 7 into 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 9 into 0 multiplied by 100 plus 4 into 3 plus 9 into 2 multiplied by 10 minus 9 into 3. So we get 8294 minus 2900 minus 300 minus 27, that is 8294 minus 3227, that is 5067, that is the remainder. Now we take help of Venkalam Sutra. Here 5749 is divisor, that is equal to 6 bar 3 5 bar 1, that is the divisor. So 6 is first divisor, minus 3 5 minus 1 is Dhvajanks 3 digits. Again 294 is after decimal point. So 1 divided by 6 is 0. So 0 or 1, 1 is remainder. 13 is next dividend. Minus 3 minus 3 into 0. That is 13 divided by 6 is quotient is 2 and remainder is 7. Remainder is 1. So 17 minus 5 into 0 plus minus 3 into 2, that is plus 6. 17 plus 6 is 23 by 6 equal to quotient is 3 and remainder is 5. Now 52 is next dividend, minus 1 into 0 5 into 2 plus minus 3 into 3. So 10 minus 9, 10, this is minus 9, so 1. 52 minus 1 is 51 divided by 6 equal to 8 is quotient and 3 is remainder. Now 39 minus 1 into 2 plus 5 into 3 minus 3 into 8. Now that gives minus 2, that becomes plus 2. This is 15. 24 plus 2, 6, 26 minus 15 is 11. So 39 plus 11 equal to 50 by 6 equal to 8 and remainder 2. So 24 is next dividend, minus 1 into 3, 5 into 8 and minus 3 into 8, that is 3 and 24 27 and 8 into 5 is 40, 40 minus 30 27 is 13. So 24 minus 13 is 11 by 6, that gives us 1 quotient and 5 remainder. So 50 is next dividend, minus 1 into 8 plus 5 into 8 minus 3 into 1, that is 8 plus 3 11. 40 minus 11 is 29. 50 minus 29 is 21 by 6. So we get 3 as quotient and 3 as remainder. Now 30 is dividend, minus 1 into 8 plus 5 into 1 minus 3 minus into 3, that is 9 plus 8 17. 17 minus 5 is 12. So 30 plus 12, that is 42 divided by 6, equal to, we get 7 and remainder 0. This gives this result we get in 8 steps, and none of them is cancelled. Here remainder is 5294 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 minus 1 into 0. So 9 is plus and 10 is minus. So we get 1 into 100. Now 5 into 3 and minus 1 into 2. So 15 minus 2 is 13 into 10 and minus 1 into 3, that is 3 plus 3. So 5294 minus 100 minus 130 plus 3 equal to 5294 minus 227, that is 5067. So the quotient is 23.88137, or Q quotient is 23 and remainder is 5067. Example 2. Divide 53247 by 4999. Now 4 is first divisor, 999 is Dhvajanks 3 digits. So 3 digits of dividend 247 are taken after decimal point. Now 5 divided by 4 equal to 1 is quotient and remainder is 1. Now 13 dividend minus 9 into 1 equal to 4 divided by 4. So 0 is dividend, 0 is quotient and remainder is 4. So 42 is next dividend, minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 gives you 33 divided by 4 equal to. Now if we take 8 as quotient, remainder is 1. But 9, the next dividend would be 14, and 9 into 14 minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 8 would become 81, that is more than 14. So 8 dividend, 8 quotient is not possible. If we take 7 as quotient, 7 and remainder becomes 5. Now next dividend would be 54, and then 54 minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 7, that becomes 72, which is again more than 54. So that is also not possible. So we go back to 42. 42 minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 equal to 33 by 4, and 6 is quotient, and remainder is 9. Now 94 is next quotient, next dividend, minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 6 equal to 31 divided by 4. That gives, now again here, if we take 6 as the quotient, 9 into 0 plus 9 into 6 plus 9 into 6 is 108, which is more than 77. 7 is the remainder. So 77, that is not possible. Hence, we have to take quotient as 5. Then 11 is the remainder, and 117 is dividend. 117 minus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 6 plus 9 into 5, that becomes 18 divided by 4. Again here, if we consider 2 as the quotient, then 9 into 6, 9 into 6 plus 9 into 5 plus 9 into 1, 9 into 2 would be 117, which is more than 100, because 10 will be remainder here. So we'll have to consider dividend as quotient as 1 only. So 117 minus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 6 plus 9 into 1, 9 into 5, sorry, equal to 18 by 4, equal to 1 remainder 14. Now 14, when it is remainder is 14, 140 is dividend, minus 9 into 6 plus 9 into 5 plus 9 into 1 equal to 32 by 4, equal to, again here also, if we consider 6 as quotient, then remainder is 8, and we get 9 into 5 plus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 6 equal to 108, which is more than 80. So we cannot consider the 6 as the quotient, we'll have to consider 5 as quotient. So 140 minus 9 into 6 plus 9 into 5 plus 9 into 1 equal to 32 divided by 4, that is 5 quotient and remainder 12. Now 120 is remainder, minus 9 into 5, 9 into 5 plus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 5, that is 21 by 4. So equal to 3, and remainder is 9. Here we have got 9 steps, but 5 are cancelled, which are not part of 9. Totally, actually, we have taken 14 steps and 5 are cancelled. The remainder is 42, 47 minus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 1, 9 into 0 plus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 into 100 minus 9 into 1 plus 9 into 0 equal into 10 plus 9 into 0, that is 42, 47 minus 900 minus 90, that is 42, 47 minus 990 equal to 3257. So quotient is 10.653, or quotient is 10, and remainder is 3257. If we take help of Vinkaram Sutra, 4999 becomes 500 bar 1. So 53,247 divided by 500 bar 1. Now 5 divided by 5 is 1 and remainder 0. 03 multiplied by 01, 0 into 1, that is again 3 by 5. So quotient is 0 and remainder is 3. Now 32 is dividend minus 0 into 1 and 0 into 0, that is 32 divided by 5 equal to 6 and remainder 2. Now 24 is the dividend. 24 minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 6, that is 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 5 equal to 5 or 0. 5 or 0. So next dividend is 7, 0, 7 minus minus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 6 plus 0 into 5, that is 7 is the dividend divided by 5 equal to 1 and remainder is 2. So 20 is the next dividend minus 1 into 6 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 1, that is 20 plus 6, 26 divided by 5. So 5 is quotient and 1 is remainder. So 10 is remainder minus 1 into 5 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 5, that is 10 plus 5, 15 divided by 5 equal to 3 and remainder 0. Here there are 7 steps and none is cancelled. Now remainder is 3247 minus 0 into 0, 0 into 1 and minus 1 into 0 multiplied by 100, that is 0. So next is 0 into 0 and minus 1 into 1, that is plus 1 plus 10 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 into 0. So 3247 minus 0 into 100 minus 1 into 10 minus 0, that is plus 10. So 3247 plus 10 is 3257. Quotient is 10.65153 or quotient is 10 and remainder is 3257. Next example, example 3 divide 3711628.112 by 12734. Now 12 is first two divisors and 734 is 3-digit Dhvajanks. 628 3 digits of dividend are taken after decimal point. A. Now 3 divided by 12 is 0 and remainder 3. 37 is next dividend minus 7 into 0 equal to 37 by 12. Now if we consider 3 quotient, then remainder is 1 and we get 11 as next dividend. 11 minus 3 into 0 plus 7 into 3, that becomes 21, which is more than 11. So we consider the quotient of 2 only, and then remainder is 13. 131 is next dividend, minus 3 into 0 plus 7 into 2, that is 117 divided by 12 equal to 9, and remainder 9. 9 and quotient is 9 and remainder is 9. So 96 minus 4 into 0 plus 3 into 2 plus 7 into 9 equal to 27 by 12. Now if we consider 2 as quotient here, 12, 27 divided by 12, 2 is quotient and 3 is remainder. But then 32 would be next dividend, and 4 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 9, and 7 multiplied by 2 would be 49, which is more than 32. So we consider 1 as quotient and remainder is 15. So 152 minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 9 plus 7 into 1 equal to 110 divided by 12. Everywhere you will see that if you take higher dividend, higher quotient, sorry, not dividend, higher quotient, the next step would be dividend would be less than the remainder. Remainder and dividend minus remainder. So 152 minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 9 plus 7 into 1, that is 110 divided by 12. We consider 8 as dividend and 14 as remainder. So 148 is next dividend, minus 4 into 9 plus 3 into 1 plus 7 into 8 equal to 53 by 12 equal to 3 as quotient and 17 as remainder. So 171 is next dividend, minus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 8 plus 7 into 3, that is 122 divided by 12 equal to 9, remainder 14. 141 would be next dividend, minus 4 into 8 plus 3 into 3 plus 7 into 9 equal to 37 divided by 12. Then we take quotient of 2 and remainder is 13. Now next dividend becomes 132 minus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 9 plus 7 into 2 equal to 79 by 12 equal to 5. 5 is quotient and remainder 19. Now overall there are 9 steps and 7 cancellations we do because the quotient is, if we take quotient higher. So remainder 9628 minus 7 into 9 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 3 into 9 plus 4 into 2 multiplied by 10 minus 4 into 9, that is 9628 minus 79 the 63 plus 6 69 into 100 6900 6900 27 plus 8 35 so 350 and this is 36 so 9628 minus 6900 minus 350 minus 36 that becomes 9628 minus 7286 that is 2342 so quotient is 29.183925 and so quotient is 29 and remainder is 2342.112. 0.112 is there in the exam. Or we take help of Vinkalam Sutra. 12734 becomes 1 3 bar 3 34. So 13 instead of 12 becomes first two divisors and minus bar 3 or minus 3 34 becomes Dhvajanks 3 digits. Now 3 divided by 13 is 0 or 3. Now 37 is next dividend minus 3 into 0 that is 37 divided by 13 equal to 2 is quotient and remainder is 11. So 111 minus 3 into 0 minus 3 into 2 that is 117 divided by 13 equal to 9 quotient and remainder is 0. 06 is dividend minus 4 into 0 plus 3 into 2 plus minus 3 into 9. So that becomes 27 by 13 equal to 1 and a quotient is 1 and remainder 14. If quotient is 2 then remainder is only 1 and then next division would be 12 instead of 142 which will be minus obviously. So 142 minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 9 minus 3 into 1 so that makes it 110 divided by 13 equal to 8 and remainder 6 so 68 is next dividend minus 4 into 9 plus 3 into 1 minus 3 into 8 equal to 53 divided by 13 which gives 3 quotient and remainder 14. If quotient is 4, remainder is 1 and dividend becomes 11 instead of 141. So obviously minus would go to minus. So 141 minus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 8 minus 3 plus minus 3 into 3 that is 122 divided by 13 equal to 9 and remainder is 5. So 51 is next dividend minus 4 into 8 plus 3 into 3 plus minus 3 into 9 equal to 37 by 13 that is 2 is quotient and 11 is remainder. So 112 remainder and dividend minus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 9 plus minus 3 into 2 that is 79 divided by 13 equal to 5 quotient and remainder 14. If quotient is 6, then remainder is 1 and dividend would be 10 as against 140. So 140 minus 4 into 9 plus 3 into 2 minus plus minus 3 into 5 equal to 113 by 13 equal to 8 remainder 9. So remainder is 0628 minus 3 into 9 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 3 into 9 and 4 plus 4 into 2 multiplied by 10 minus 4 into 9, that is 0628 minus 27 plus 6 into 100, and this is minus 35 into 10, this is minus 36. So 628 plus 2100, 27 minus 6 is 2100 plus minus 350 minus 36, that is 2342.112 occurs. Then quotient is 29.183925, or quotient is 29 and remainder is 2342.112. Fourth example, divide 975311 by 16321. So 16 is first two divisors and 3 to 1 is Dhvajanks in 3 digits. 975 are taken before decimal point, 311 is after decimal point, 3 digits. So 9 divided by 16 is 0 or 9, 0 quotient and remainder 9. 97 minus 3 into 0 is 97 divided by 16 equal to 5 and remainder is 17. 175 minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 5, that is 160 divided by 16. We take here 9 and remainder 16. So 163 minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 9 equal to 126 divided by 16 equal to 7 and remainder 14. So 141 is dividend minus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 7 equal to 97 divided by 16. We take here 5 as a quotient and remainder is 17. So 171 is next dividend minus 1 into 9 plus 2 into 7 plus 3 into 5, that is 133 divided by 16 equal to 8 and remainder 5. So 50 minus 1 into 7 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 8 equal to 9 divided by 16 is 0 and remainder 9. So this is completed in 7 steps only and without any cancellation. The remainder is 16311 minus 3 into 9 plus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 0 into 100 plus 2 into 9 plus 1 into 5 multiplied by 10 plus minus 1 into 9. So 16311 minus 3700, 27 plus 10, 37 into 100, 3700 minus 230, 18 plus 5, 23 into 10, 230 minus 9. So 16311 minus 3939, that is 123.72. Now the quotient is 59.7580 or quotient 59 and remainder 12372. Example 5, divide 3538792 by 15124. 1 pi is first two divisors, 124 is Dhvajanks 3 digits. Now 3538.792. 792 is taken after decimal point. Now 3 divided by 15 is 0, remainder 3, 35 minus 1 into 0 equal to 35 by 15 equal to 2, quotient and remainder 5. 53 is next dividend, minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2 equal to 51 divided by 15 equal to 3 and remainder 6. So 68 is next dividend, minus 4, 4 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 equal to 61 divided by 15 equal to 3 or 16. Remainder is 16. Key is quotient. So 167 is next dividend, minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3 equal to 150 divided by 15. We take here 9 as a quotient and remainder 15. So 159 is dividend, minus 4 into 3 plus 1 into 4 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 9 equal to 132 divided by 15 equal to 8, and remainder is 12. So 122 is remainder, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 9 plus 1 into 8 equal to 84 divided by 15 equal to 5 is quotient and 9 is remainder. So 90 minus 4 into 9 plus 2 into 8 plus 1 into 5 equal to 33 divided by 15 equal to 1 is remainder and 18 is 1 is quotient and 18 is remainder. 180 minus 4 into 8 plus 5 into 2 plus 1 into 1 equal to 137 divided by 15 equal to 8 is quotient and remainder is 17. 9 steps are involved here. Remainder is 16792 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Sorry. 16792 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 2 into 100 minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 3 multiplied by 10 minus 4 into 3, that is equal to 16792 minus 1700, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 8, 17, 1700 minus 6 plus 12, 18, 18 tens are 180 minus 12. So the answer is 14900. The quotient is 233.98518, or quotient is 233 and remainder is 14900. Now, next example 6. Dividend 997531 by 30321. Now 30 is first two divisors and 321 is next the Dhvajanks. So 531 is after decimal point having 3 digits equal to Dhvajanks, digits in Dhvajanks. So 9 divided by 30 is 0 and quotient is 0 and remainder is 9. 99 minus 3 into 0 equal to 99 divided by 30 is 3, quotient and remainder 9. 97 is next dividend, minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 3, that is 88 divided by 30 equal to 2, quotient and 28 remainder. So 285 is next remainder, minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 equal to 273 divided by 30 equal to 8, quotient and remainder 33. If quotient is 9 in case against 8, remainder would be only 3, and then it will be it will go into minus. So 333 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 8 equal to 302 divided by 30 equal to 9, remainder 32. So 321 is dividend minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 9 equal to 276 divided by 30 equal to 9 and remainder 6. So 60 is remainder, 60 is dividend minus 1 into 8 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 9 equal to 7 divided by 30 equal to 0, quotient and remainder 7. 70 is next dividend, minus 1 into 9 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 0 equal to 43 divided by 30 equal to 1 is quotient and remainder is 13. So 8 steps are involved here, no cancellation. Remainder is 28531 minus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 multiplied by 10 minus 1 into 2. So 28 by 31 minus 1200 minus 70 minus 2, that is 28 by 31 minus 1272, that is 27259. So quotient is 32.89901, or quotient is 32 and remainder is 27259. Seventh example, divide 745 129 by 9314. 9 is per divisor and 314 is Dhvajanka 3 digits. So 129 3 digits are taken after decimal point in dividend. So 7 divided by 9 is 0 and remainder is 7. 74 minus 3 into 0 equal to 74 divided by 9, that is 8, and remainder 2. So 25 is next dividend, minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 8, that is 20, 1 divided by 9, that is equal to 0 quotient and remainder is 1. Now 11 is dividend, minus 4 into 0 plus 1 into 8 plus 3 into 0, that is 11 minus 8, that is equal to 3 divided by 9. So 0 is quotient and remainder is 3. 32 is next dividend, minus 4 into 8 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 0, that is 32 minus 32 is 0 divided by 9 equal to 0 or 0. Remainder is also 0. Then 0, 9 minus 4 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 0, that gives 9 minus 0. 9 divided by 9 equal to 1 and remainder is 0. So again 0 minus 4 into 0, 4 into 0, 1 into 0, 3 into 0 equal to 0 divided by 9 equal to 0 or 0. So remainder is 1129 minus 3 into 0 plus 1 into 8 plus 4 into 0 multiplied by 100 minus 1 into 0 plus 4 into 8 multiplied by 10 minus 4 into 0, that is 1129 minus 800 minus 320 minus 0, that is equal to 9. So quotient is 80.00009, or quotient is 8 and remainder is 9. Example 8, divide 131 by 19799. So 19 is first two digits, first two divisors, and 799 is Dhvajanks. All 131 is taken after decimal point, as it is smaller than 19799. Now 1 divided by 19 is 0 or 1. 1 is remainder. 13 minus 7 into 0 equal to 13 divided by 19. Again 0 divided by 0 and remainder 13. So 131 minus 7 into 0, 9 into 0, that is 131 divided by 19 equal to 6 and remainder is 17. So 170 minus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 0 plus 7 into 6 equal to 128 divided by 19 is again 6 and remainder 14. So 140 minus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 6 plus 7 into 6, that is equal to 44 divided by 19 equal to 1 and remainder 25. If Q is 2, then remainder is 6 and that will give you minus result. So 250 minus 9 into 6 plus 9 into 6 plus 7 into 1 equal to 135 divided by 19 equal to 6 is quotient and 21 is remainder. So this is completed in 6 steps. Quotient is 0.006616. Now exercise. First is divide 13579 by 2145. Second is divide 995.311 by 16123. Third is divide 995.311 by 20321. Fourth is divide 975.311 by 16333. Divide 321,487 by 2979, and divide 9185146 by 11121.